I'm glad you could join us for this guided meditation. Find yourself a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Allow yourself to begin to relax. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. Be aware of the space between the breath in and the breath out. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Let this become the anchor for your attention. All the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. Just noticing that the mind has become distracted, without judging your practice or yourself. Letting go of the thought, sensation or feeling that pulled the mind away, before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. Just by noticing that you've become distracted and coming back to the breath, you're doing everything right. Keeping your mind constantly anchored on the breath. Now allowing your focus to relax and just letting the mind do whatever it wants to do. Noticing whatever comes into your experience. Bringing your attention back to the space around you. Be aware of the space around you. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too.